Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dream Cricket. We will begin by exploring the fundamental controls for batting, bowling, and fielding. You will learn to execute powerful shots, deliver wicket-taking balls, and make crucial catches. Understanding these core mechanics is your first step to dominating the cricket field. We will also cover navigating the main menu to get you started quickly. Now, let's dive deeper into mastering your batting. Timing is everything. Aim for perfect contact to send the ball flying for 4s and 6s. Select your shot type carefully, considering the ball's trajectory and the field placement. Utilize power-hitting options strategically to clear the ropes. Adapting your approach to different pitch conditions will significantly improve your run-scoring ability. Moving on to bowling, where strategy is key to taking wickets. Experiment with various bowling styles, from fast pace to deceptive spin, to keep batsmen guessing. Precisely adjust your line and length to create pressure and force errors. Master special deliveries like the Yorker and Bouncer to break partnerships. Varying your pace and trajectory will open up many wicket-taking opportunities. Finally, let's talk about crucial fielding and exciting game modes. Quick, accurate throws are essential to save valuable runs and secure runouts. Strategically position your fielders to block boundaries and create catching chances. Dream Cricket offers diverse game modes, including challenging tournaments and quick matches, for endless fun. Don't forget to customize your team and players to optimize their performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.